In our last videos, many of you have suggested to add voiceover. So starting from this one, we will be adding it in all of them. Hope you like and appreciate it. Your response has been overwhelming in our previous videos. Please keep supporting and showering your love on us. We thank you for that and appreciate every bit of it. For making hash browns, the first thing we need to do is peel off the potatoes. I have taken 300 grams for today's dish. The peels are stored for another dish called khosha bhaja that we will be showing on one of our next videos. Once the potatoes are peeled, I will be shredding them nicely. I have used a shredder for clean and hassle-free shredding for this purpose. You can use any tool as per your convenience. Next I am taking some chilled water in a clean bowl and will add the shredded potatoes. We will thoroughly rinse the potatoes to remove the excess starch from them. On a separate bowl, I will place a clean cotton cloth and take out the rinsed potatoes. You can also use a cheesecloth for better results. I couldn't find one because of the ongoing lockdown. I will be wrapping the potatoes nicely with the cotton cloth and then squeeze them firmly to ensure almost all the water is drained out. Take time in doing this step because this is very crucial. Now in a clean bowl, I will transfer the dried potatoes. I have added 50 grams of chopped onions here. Along with that, 4 tablespoons of refined flour. If needed, you can add some more refined flour on a later time. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can increase or decrease it as per your taste. Next, I am adding 1 whole egg into the mixture. Sprinkle some salt onto it. And add 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of garlic paste into it and a handful amount of cheese. I have used 200 grams here. You can increase or decrease this as per your preference, but do not skip this as it will bind the whole mixture. Mix everything well and bring the whole mixture together. We will mix it till the consistency is like this. Now I will add some oil in a pan and let it heat for some time. Next I will add the batter. You can use a mold for better results. Hash browns are best made in square shape. Fry each side for 5 minutes on medium heat and don't flip before that. Once both sides are deep golden brown in color, it is time to take them out for plating. We will place them in some kitchen tissue to wipe off the excess oil. Now it's time for plating. Serve it hot with your choice of a dip and beverage. I personally prefer it with mayonnaise and a freshly brewed cup of coffee. Enjoy your hash browns and don't forget to comment on how you like the recipe. Bon appetit!